Hello guys. Hi. It is me. Singing girl. I haven't updated in a while, so I wanted to update a little bit. As you can see, it's a bit greener than what it used to be, if you guys saw last time. But anyway, this is what my pants look like. But anyway, let's get started. I'll introduce what the video is. So the video is tutorials on quadrobics. I said I was going to do more tutorials and I kind of forgot. But anyway, let's get started with walk, I guess. I think this is a good spot. It is a little bit spiky and my clothes are in the wash because they got really dirty the other day. Hold on, I might change it a little bit. Hello. I think I might do it this way. Or, God, I don't know where to go. Here? Oh, hi, Den. I don't know if you can see him, but you can't see Den. There's Denny. Denny! Look at the camera! Say hi. That's my dog. The man they're washing. Anyway, I think this is a good spot. Not too much prickles or anything like that. There's gonna be prickles anywhere. Or everywhere. If my parents can see me from here. I'm sorry. What are you barking at? Yeah. So, you think this is a good spot? It's very nice. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay. Come back for part 2. I'm sorry, I have to make a part 2. I can't make my videos too long. Otherwise it won't let me do it for some reason. But anyway, come back for part 2.